I was asked a question on Instagram. How do you beat match the Roland SP404? So that's what we're going to try to attack today. We're going to try to look at the Roland SP404, and if I have multiple samples, how do I make them all have the same tempo? One thing that we're going to do, we're going to demystify the Roland SP404 MK2. Now here we are on the Roland SP404 MK2. You know, we're talking about beat matching, sample matching, making sure that the right tempos match together so that our tracks can sound alike. One of the first things I want to do is I want to actually show you what I'm working with in terms of samples. I have this sample right here. Now, if you take a real good look, you'll see that this is at 85 BPM, beats per measure. Now, the thing about those drums, even though it says 85 here, it's really at 92. $85, $92. So one of the things you really want to do, and here's the tip, you want to make sure that your samples are already pre-set up. What do I mean by that? That you did your work beforehand. You made sure that if it's a 2-bar measure, the sample is 2-bar measure. If it's a 4-bar measure of drums, that your samples are really 4-bar measures and that you actually know the tempo of the song. What I love about the Roland SP404 is that it actually can find the tempo for you. So if you already have your measures together, your beats per measure together, and when you load it into the SP404, you're good to go because it can find the tempo. One of the key things that we're worried about is we want those two samples to match up. So the ease of this is all it takes is holding down shift and going to tap tempo. And when you're in this actual field with this feature, you can actually tap the tempo with the sub pad. Okay. So like you got your sample going. Ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you see, it went to 91. But we know that the sample is 92. So you can do your adjusting. It's on me, human error. So another thing about this, your tempo can be select to the project that you're working on or the bank of sounds that you're actually working on. What I love about the SP404 is you have actually 12 banks of sounds. So right now I'm on D. So I can grab this encoder right here, turn it, and it will move over to D. I can turn it back, and it will move back to the project. So this whole bank can be under one tempo, or the entire project can be under one tempo that you're working on, because you may be in multiple banks, doing multiple things in multiple banks. After you do that, all you have to do is hold down Shift and BPM Sync. But let's get out of this field. If you hold down Shift and BPM Sync, as you can see, the sync is now on for bank D. Let's go back to Shift, tap tempo. As you can see, our project is 92. So let's go ahead and escape out of this. And now I'm going to play the sample. Let's say, oh man, that's too fast. I really don't like that. Then all you have to do is this: go Shift, tap tempo, go back in the bank of the project, and now you can change the tempo to something that you like. Let's say I want to make it 85. All right. Exit, hold Shift, make sure your BPM Sync is on. We're going to turn it back on. It's saying 85. Now the new tempo is 85. So now let's play. This is how you basically can beat match. It's very easy, very easy. Now there you have it. We were able to beat match in the Roland SP404 MK2, and we were able to do it really fast. I happen to think it's a little faster than the MPC Live 2 or the MPC series. But at the same time, let me know what you think about it. Leave comments in the description below. Leave your questions in the description box. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to try to answer for you. If you like this video, tell me what you like about it. Come on, let's build this community. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, what do you like about the Roland SP404? Is this something that will make you want to purchase it or not. If so, I have links in the description so that you can get the Roland SP404. Is my link to Zounds. Zounds is one of the affiliates I'm associated with. If you like it, make sure you click the link. It helps the channel, helps us to grow and bring more content like this. Everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for helping me get to where I'm at so far. And there's no other place to go but up. All right, everybody, y'all have a great one. If you like this video, make sure you check this one out over here that you'll see in the corner. All right, everybody, peace.